In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to claim your website on Pinterest by integrating it with your Wix site. This process helps to verify your website's ownership, thus enabling you to seamlessly connect the two platforms. Let's dive right into the steps. Start by logging into your Pinterest account. Once you're in, navigate to the settings. This is found by clicking on your profile image or the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the homepage. And from there, selecting Settings. Now in the Settings menu on the left, you'll find an option labeled Claimed Accounts. Clicking on this will display several options, and what we're particularly interested in here is websites. Go ahead and click Claim next to it. Now you'll see an option to add a meta tag. Click on Add HTML tag, and you will see a meta tag appear in a text box. This tag is a short snippet of code that serves as proof to Pinterest that you own your website. Highlight this code and copy it to your clipboard because we'll need it in the next step in your Wix dashboard. Switching gears, head over to your Wix account. Once inside, look for the Marketing and SEO tab in your dashboard. If you can't immediately spot it, it may also be under an SEO setup checklist, depending on how your dashboard is organized. Now, find the section labeled Site Verification and click on Go to Site Verification. You're going to see several icons representing different platforms, but we're interested in that Pinterest icon, so find it and click on it. You're now in the right place to paste the meta tag. Remember that snippet of code we copied from your Pinterest account? Paste that code into the field provided next to the Pinterest icon. This is a crucial step, as it's the bridge that connects your Wix site to Pinterest, making sure you can claim your website. Once pasted, click on Save to ensure it's properly placed in your site's code. Now, let's round up this process. Go back to the Pinterest page where you previously copied the meta tag. Once there, click on Continue. You'll find a field asking for your website's URL. Enter your website's URL carefully to avoid any errors. After entering your URL, go ahead and click Verify. This final step allows Pinterest to check if the meta tag is present on your Wix site, which in turn verifies that you own the site. After a short verification process, you'll receive a confirmation from Pinterest, letting you know that you've successfully claimed your website. This integration opens up a range of features that link your Pinterest and website activities, maximizing your online presence. And there you have it. With these easy steps, you can seamlessly link your Wix site to Pinterest. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.